Good morning, teacher and classmates. My name is Cristian Yupanqui Quispe. I am 26 years old. I am from Cusco, Peru. I am a civil engineering student. Today, I am going to talk about my daily life and special events that I attended last year. What time do I wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Where do I study? I study at the university in Cusco. My classes start at 8 a.m. What do I do after classes? After classes, I go home and do my homework. What do I do in my free time? In my free time, I watch football. Do I play football? Yes, I do. I play football on weekends. What kind of music do I listen to? I listen to salsa music because it makes me feel happy. Now, I want to talk about a funny birthday party that I attended last year. It was my cousin's birthday party. The party was at his house in Cusco. There were many family members and friends. The place was beautiful and comfortable. The decorations were colorful. The food was delicious. We ate cake, snacks, and drank soft drinks. The music was great. Was great. Then something very funny happened. My uncle was dancing salsa. He was very excited. Suddenly, he slipped and almost fell to the floor. Everyone was surprised, but he was fine. Then he started laughing. All the West were laughing too. It was the funniest moment of the party. Later, we sang Happy Birthday and took many photos together. Finally, we ate a chocolate cake. This event was very special to me. I spent time with my family. I had a lot of fun. It was an unforgettable day. Thank you for your attention. Bye.